In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful.
Blood vessels are channels that carry blood throughout our body. They form a closed loop like a circuit that begins and ends at our heart, delivering oxygen to vital organs and tissues. They also remove waste products. Deoxygenated blood from different parts of our body is carried towards the heart, from where it is pumped to the lungs, where it is oxygenated. After oxygenation, oxygenated blood leaves the heart to different parts of the body. All of this process of transportation of blood is totally dependent on blood vessels. There are major three types of blood vessels: arteries, capillaries, and veins. Arteries. Artery is a kind of blood vessel that carries blood away from the heart. It consists of three major layers. The innermost layer is known as tunica intima, consisting of endometrium. The middle layer, known as the tunica media, consists of elastic tissue and smooth muscle. The outermost covering of artery consists of tunica externa, which is made up of connective tissue. Intima meaning internal, media means middle, and externa means external. Arteries have smaller lumen and are thick-walled. Furthermore, they do not contain valves like veins. Arteries experience high blood pressure. This is due to the reason that they handle large amount of force and pressure from blood flow but do not carry a large amount of blood. Arteries also produce tumbling vibration and is called pulses. Arteries branch into smaller vessels called arterioles. They get bigger or smaller to help maintain the blood pressure. Veins. Vein is a kind of blood vessels that carry blood towards the heart. It consists of three layers just like arteries. With these three layers, veins also consist of valves. The three layers is the internal layer known as tunica intima, consisting of endometrium. Second layer known as the tunica media, consisting of elastic tissue and smooth muscle. The outermost covering of vein is known as tunica externa, composed of connective tissue. Veins contain cellular valves, which help control the blood flow and keep the blood flowing in one direction. Veins have wide lumen. This is because the middle layer of veins is thinner as compared to arteries, which make them inelastic. Veins have low pressure. This is because they do not have to carry highly pressurized blood like arteries, but they do carry a large amount of deoxygenated blood back to our heart. Veins begin as tiny vessels called venules and get gradually larger as they are near the heart. They receive blood from capillaries. Capillaries. In the capillary, the exchange of material takes place by diffusion. Capillaries consist of one cell thick wall. Capillaries have narrow lumen, so narrow that only one cell can pass through them at a single time, meaning that cells like red blood cells are moved one after another. Capillaries do not contain any valves. Capillaries has a single layer known as the endometrium along with basal lamina. This is surrounded by certain cells called pericytes. These help regulating blood flow and maintaining blood-brain barrier. Let's illustrate the movement of blood by the blood vessels in this diagram. The oxygenated blood from the heart is carried by arteries, which divides into arterioles, which further divides to form capillaries. Exchange of material takes place in capillaries. The capillaries unite to form venule, which further unite to form the vein, from where deoxygenated blood is carried back to the heart. So, the direction of movement of blood here is from artery to arterioles capillaries to venules and to veins. So arteries, arterioles, capillary, venules, and then vein. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell to get the latest videos. Thank you.